Ladies, if you wear wigs, weaves, braids, or extensions,
and if you're tender-headed like me,
or tangle just like me,
or have thick hair like mine,
or hate getting your hair combed,
keep watching.
Hi guys, thanks for checking out another TM Hair Products video. I just want to let you guys know that the Black Friday sale is going on now. Use the code Give Thanks. The Black Friday sale is going on till December 2nd or while supplies last. So if the supplies run out before December 2nd, that's it. So if you want to get 20% off the bundle, that's the Detangler and Styling Aid, 20% off the bundle. Use the coupon code Give Thanks at TM Hair Products. Hi guys, thanks for checking out another TM Hair Products video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to detangle my daughter's 4C hair, deep condition it, and style it. As you can see, her hair is 4C, very tightly coiled and dry. So I'm going to show you how I detangle her hair, take the pain out of it, deep condition it because her hair is very coily. Her hair tends to be very dry, and with the weather changes, that makes it drier. And I'm going to show you a quick style. I went back to my love, so I'm going to show you how I style it really quickly. Step 1 is to separate the hair. Very simple. Separate the hair. Now, the thicker your hair is, the more sections you have. This is going to decrease your detangling time too. So along with the smooth through detangler, it's going to cut your detangling time down in half. Trust me. Now, what I did was I separated the back into one half, and then I separated that half into another half. Again, if your hair is very thick, you may separate that section into 3 or 4 pieces. Step 2, spray the hair with water. Spray the hair with water. Water makes the hair more pliable. If your hair is stiff because it's maybe packed with products or your hair has been up for so long, your hair is very stiff. Her hair is low porosity. So with me doing what I'm doing, working the water into her hair, it helps to work the water in faster. When I spray the water on her hairs, you'll see her porosity is very low. You see how water sits on top of her hair? People with low porosity, water sits on top of the hair and it takes longer to penetrate the hair shaft. So that's why I'm working the water in so it can penetrate faster. Step 3, add the detangler to the part of the hair that is tangled and work it in with your hands. So because my daughter has more tangling at the root, that's where I begin. I begin at the root. I start at the root. As you can see, I'm working it in on my hands, starting at the root, and then I will work my way down to the end. So wherever I feel tangles and matting, that's where I work the detangler in. Now the detangler is going to start to work immediately. It's going to break down knots and tangles immediately, but you have to use, and I cannot stress this enough, you have to use the appropriate amount for your hair's thickness, your hair's tangles, and your hair's type. If your hair has been up for 3 months, you can't use a drop of any product. So once you work the detangler in, you start combing from the ends, working your way up to the root, starting from the ends. Now, I felt tangles in the middle of her hair, so I broke that section up and started to detangle. And as you can see, it made it a lot easier to detangle that section. And then I'll bring the top section down and detangle that section as well. I'm just showing you again, but it's just a faster version how I spray the hair with water. You see how I open it up and spray each section, then I work the detangler in with the pads of my fingers. And you guys, this detangler is going to cut your detangling time in half. Please trust me, believe me. Trust me. Now, as you can see, there is not a lot of hair loss in the comb because the detangler is doing its job, but you have to follow the steps that I'm showing you. I see people detangling their hair on YouTube and they have this thick head of hair and they just taking big chunk sections, and you're going to lose more hair. So you're not going to see the length that you want to see when you're detangling your hair. If you follow these steps with this detangler, I guarantee you'll see a difference in your hair. I have too many testimonials saying so. Now, what I did was clean up the part and twist that section in half. Again, because my daughter's hair is very coily, leaving it loose coils back up on itself. Now, step 4, I'm going to rinse the detangler completely from her hair. I'm going to rinse it completely and shampoo her hair. Step 5, now I'm going to reapply that same detangler as a deep conditioner, and this is where the magic happens to the hair. To me, this is a very crucial step. If you're familiar with my videos, if you know me, if you've heard any of my videos, this is a very crucial step. Why? Because when you deep condition the hair, it allows the cuticle to lift and it allows the product to penetrate under the cuticles. As you can see, I'm getting the middle. Now, let me say this. When you're deep conditioning, you don't have to slather your hair, don't have to be white like slathered with detangler, but it does have to have enough to coat the hair strands. So that's where you have to gauge how thick your hair is, how thin your hair is, because you want to coat the hair strands, because you want the detangler to get on every strand of hair, and you want it to go under the cuticle to strengthen the hair, to give the hair luster and shine and health and strength. So you guys ask me, and I'm breaking the videos down even more to show you what I do with all of my girls, but particularly with this daughter, because she have 4C hair and her hair tends to be drier. She tends to have drier hair. I'm going to do that for all 4 sections of her hair. The step that you just seen me do, take the hair loose, add detangler. I'm going to do that to all 4 sections of her hair. I'm just showing you this same section sped up. You see how I add detangler in the middle of a big section, and then I add it around the perimeter, and then I work the detangler in. Now, if you followed the previous steps, when you work the detangler in, your hair shouldn't be extremely tangled. Your hair should be a lot easier to comb, as you see here. And for me, I always work in section because it helps to keep me organized. So sections work for me. I can't just grab a chunk of hair and start that have me all over the place. So for me, working in sections is the best thing for me. And again, you guys take advantage of the Black Friday sale going on now. Use the coupon code Give Thanks, and it's going on until December 2nd while supplies last. So if it runs out before December 2nd, then the sale will be over before December 2nd. So take advantage of that to get 20% off the bundle. So if you were interested in trying the products, or some of you already, I've been already getting your orders, and I appreciate you so much. Thank you. Step 6, cover the hair with a conditioning cap. Put her under the dryer for 20 minutes on a warm setting. So that's what we're going to do here. But as I was saying, thank you guys for all of your support, for those of you who've been taking advantage of the sale. Now, step 7, you can either blow dry the hair like I'm doing here, or you can just stretch the hair, whichever you prefer. But because we're going right into the style, I want to go ahead and get her hair blow dry. But I want you to see, just after deep conditioning, I haven't put any products on her hair. I haven't put anything on her hair, and you see the luster on her hair. That comes from deep conditioning with the smooth through detangler. No oils have been on her hair. I don't blow dry hair with oils on it, because to me it's like it burns the hair. When you add heat, when you add oils while you're drying the hair, it burns the hair. That's why sometimes it smells like hair burning, because hair's burning. So for me, this just works. I don't tell other people how to do it, but this just works for me. I don't blow dry the hair with any product on it. Once I rinse the detangler out of her hair, it's the product is sealed into her cuticle, so it helps to protect her hair as well. So I don't have to add anything on her hair when I blow dry, and that's just what works for me. And I don't have an extremely high blow dryer. This blow dryer is so old. That's why I don't recommend it to you guys, because it's been discontinued and it's so old, but it works. Get you a good quality blow dryer, and you don't have to have a blow dryer that blows out like 2,500 watts. It doesn't need to be that hot. You just need a good quality blow dryer. 1850, 1875 is you know, that's a fairly good amount of heat coming out of a blow dryer. So you don't need like a 2200, 2500 watt, 2000 watt blow dryer. That's a lot of heat in my opinion. And as you can see, I'm just gently going through her hair. Step 8. Da, 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 da. Now it's time to style. You guys, I went back to my first love. Like when I first started doing YouTube videos, I would twist their hair and I don't know, I wanted to do something simple for you guys, for my ladies who don't know how to braid or struggle braid is real. You know, I wanted to do something very simple but very cute, very holiday friendly, very school friendly, very church friendly, very all occasion friendly. And this just brought back so many memories. I am using the Perfect Assist styling aid on her hair, and the Perfect Assist styling aid is a moisturizing styling aid. And anything that is a moisturizer, it contains water. So this is what I told you guys before. This is like a lock method in a jar. And as you can see, I'm working it around her hair, around the perimeter of that section that I parted off, because I don't want all of her hair to revert back. So I just use it around the perimeter, and this is going to help fight frizz and keep her hair moisturized. And all I'm doing is flat twisting her hair up. You guys, I really like this style. It's so cute. I just love age appropriate styles. Like that's my thing. I love styles that are age appropriate, that are not too grown. And this is easy. Like this style is easy. Anybody can do it. If you can flat twist, you could do this style. And it's cute. It pulls together real cute. You can do it in so many different variations. So that's why I wanted to show you guys this style, so that you can have options and choices of styling your child's hair and keeping it moisturized. Keeping it moisturized is most important, even if you just put it in two braids or a ponytail or whatever. Keeping the hair moisturized is what's most important, because it keeps the hair from breaking and from the end splitting and things like that. So that's why I always use the Perfect Assist styling aid. I use it on every style except silk pressing and flat ironing, because it contains water. So if I silk press or flat iron, I don't use it. But for any other style, I use it for when I wear my wigs. I use it because it's not greasy. It's not very oily, so it's great for moisturizing the hair. It is a moisturizer, and it keeps your hair moisturized for days, and you'll see the nice luster on the hair for days and even weeks. Make sure you tie your hair up, and it'll last. Your hair will last. Now the back is very simple. I told you, ladies, this was a simple style, very simple. We're not doing much, but it's gonna be cute. You can add hair ornaments. I'm gonna be honest, I ain't do all that, but you can. You could do all that. I'm just trying to get them out of the way. Next assembly line. Okay, you done. Let me get to the next one. So, but this style, it came out very cute. And all I did was put ponytails in the back. Of course, don't make them tight. You know, that's a given, that goes without saying. And I just crisscrossed them and put everything up in a bun. Is that not adorable or what? You can add hair ornaments. Like I said, you could add a ribbon. You can add the little hair charms. You could actually do this and add synthetic hair to make the bun bigger if you wanted. But I just wanted to give her something natural, something easy, no fuss. You know, let's get it together so we can get downstairs and eat and do all that kind of stuff. That's what I had in mind. Those were the vibes I had. So yes, guys, there are pictures at the end. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our It's Just Us channel. I will leave the link below. Thank you guys for your support. Thank you guys for supporting the sale. Thank you guys for supporting TM Hair Products. You don't know what it means to us for you guys to support us. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And there are pictures at the end. If you have any questions, like I said, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the little subscribe button on the lower right side of your screen and hit the bell notification, so you'll be notified of videos that I put out. Like, quit playing. Like, come on, let's go and do this. We family now. You've been watching me too long. Now, I'm going to get better. 2020, I'm going to get better with the pictures. This was about 3 days later, but I'm going to get better with the pictures in 2020. And that's it. If you guys have any questions, again, leave them in the comments below, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys.